Adi, about time now, you and Spice admit say una did fuck.
Footah, you did say him tief people style and him tief melody for true and words. I'm glad him there outside so him can answer for that. But me now look my friend, if Cartel now don't want to chat to Footah or rate Footah or it's either in the ear or there for me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we have a lot to talk about. We have Footah hype again. Ugh. Instagram Cartel now come up from Movada case briefly. Yeah, we have lots to talk about, lots to get digging. But before we get started, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share. Now, the other day, Shelly and Kuran had an interview with L.A. Lewis, and conveniently, Cartel and Spice name was brought up. You have to take a listen, cause
Hey, me not call Cartel name, you know. Every time I call Cartel name, him put out say
Fresh
Shelly is
drop.
the one that helped get him in a prison.
No, man, Cartel not say that. Man, somebody.
He saying it from him other page. Always me provide information like me work at telecoms or like me did work at telecoms.
I didn't answer that, man.
Every time him feel like, Adi, you feel happy say, me call your name. And Adi, about time now, you and Spice admit say una did fuck.
No, everybody knows a Spice and RT, not RT. Everybody knows a Spice and Cartel do a thing. I don't know, like,
Are you saying Spice and Cartel fuck?
Yeah, they never
Alright.
but a good pum Spice have and they are good boys. So
Alright.
two.
Alright.
Fresh drop.
They come for mash it up.
Mash up who?
With Spice, cause I really, Spice Cartel should have breed, you know. But they don't know, say, wherever the solar system go down, Spice may never get breed. And that's why Spice should have a better baby father. Cause Cartel should have breed her. That Spice, I think,
who is Spice baby father? Because the people them say a baby sham.
Nah, man, I the same look at you with the man. But Cartel now, Spice was Cartel for breeder. But same time, Shawty come and come mash up the little thing, and then Shawty the guy will come out of a Spanish town, and then drop the whole bed, and then come out, him dead now. So, one at a time now, Shawty Guzo Spice, wicked, run Cartel. And yeah, that mash up the thing, man, cause me they like the couple, cause Cartel and Spice, they just look like a match made in heaven, the baddest dancehall DJ, and the baddest dancehall female DJ. Everything that go with them, I may say, yeah.
Fresh drop.
I don't want Spice myself, but me say, yeah. And they say, I mean, although I like Spice, me say, yeah, you know, say, look good. You know, some not enough people too tough. You know, and you call, you know, but you know, it's also dance.
the other day, Jeffrey made a comment saying Cartel couldn't take back dancehall. Him say 50-50. The other guy said 80%, and he got in his feelings, like he think it impossible. Anyway, let me take a listen.
My thing is this. Cartel ever get a reaction yeah, regardless. You see me? But in terms of the whole, like, wow, we think he might come run back the place? Is that what we're saying?
He can.
I'm not saying he can't, but give me the percentage. What the possibility of him running back the place?
80%.
80%. Honestly, it's a 50-50 for me.
No, it can't be 50-50.
Bumbuck lad, I never know some can have my opinion. DJ is some fault.
What do you mean? I'm not talking for you. It can't be 50-50.
What do you mean it can't be 50-50? You have to bear in mind that, number one, he has been putting out music.
Yeah.
And the music never there connect. No.
Not quality. Him don't know the new system them.
Again, it does.
Him not recording on the new software them who have a road now. Remember, sir, 14 years.
I remember him getting biggest song behind bars.
Which song, man?
Fever.
Bro.
So you keep on saying these things as if he wasn't producing quality. Me tell it to me,
the quality deteriorate, bro, at one point.
But again, and probably because his health deteriorate.
But now I'm gonna go into the real studio. So remember saying you said the artist them are computer artists, you know.
Shella, I'm not disagreeing with you.
This is a real artist in a real studio gonna give you real songs.
Shella, I understand all of that, and I'm not disagreeing with you, but you telling me 50-50 is like...
No, you say 50-50.
Yeah, but I'm saying,
80.
and you telling me say 50-50 is not realistic, I think you're talking madness.
Well, yeah,
at the end of the day,
my madness, yeah.
At the end of the day, this man is out of the loop.
No.
He is.
I'm sure you can't say that.
Yo, I can't get an 8 bar in, please.
What kind of 8 bar in?
Get an 8 bar in, please.
Sing that somewhere else, bro.
Do you think Cartel can run back dancehall? I'm on the 80% side. So tell me what you guys think in the comment section though. The other day, Serpi put up a video and I said, oh, Cartel never hook up his wife first and he hook up Bright Light because a Bright Light dash the lizard female, the body saying burn the body and So here's somebody in a Cartel camp account clear up that rumor. This is what he had to say, the reason as to why Bright Light first he embraced. Listen to this.
I want me know for a fact, because I've been around. See, most of you people know Bright Light as a man who own a funeral parlor, where bury dead body and them something. That you know Bright Light as. But really and truly, Bright Light play a major role in the music industry. Bright Light a big time promoter and big time producer. See, in the last part, just before vybz Cartel get locked up, Bright Light and vybz Cartel was doing a number of shows, series of shows in different parishes. However, Cartel get locked up before them could complete most of the dates for the show. See? So Bright Light lose a lot of money. You get what I'm saying? So being the smart businessman that Bright Light is, of course, he must go be one of the first promoter for greed Cartel before anybody else, before the rush. You get what I say? He must keep up to date with the money. You get what I say? But him now come out, come talk them something and explain nothing to him. But me I talk because me been around and me know what I go on. See? I don't know nothing for I. This is a public knowledge. A lot of you may not know, but you have people in a small circle know say when me I talk of facts. You get what I say? But because Cartel associate himself with Bright Light and Bright Light own a funeral parlor, and because them a try to talk about lizard body missing and all of them something, say people start a rumor to say a Bright Light get rid of the body, and that rumor spread. You get to me I say, so apparently in 2024 that rumor just reached Serpi ears. Seeing so me know if you have facts said this a hearsay.
So Footah Hive again went live and I talk about Cartel tief people's song and take people's sound and very and him write this and that. Let me take a listen to what he said.
Everything they call me name and try implicate me and me can't catch a break. I don't notice a bag of people are cuss me and a trace, and when me talk about my father, in look a cheerleader then come out a trace, but all now then can't say a lie for Cartel. And now Cartel come out, back a man about, oh Footah, remember you did say this and say that, me still I say it. And me can say it even more now, cause Cartel the outside can adjust it. Cause me realize say most Gaza fans don't even know nothing about Cartel. Me not go run and be in a group, you know, and oh, me never did say that, me say it and me still a stand for it. Uno go in a Google. Uno do it for me. The people am there where are Gaza fans, uno do it for me. The song I name, Picture Me and You and Me, Kissing. Uno say that in a Google and ask for the original song. And a Cartel come up with that. And a Cartel come up with that, you know. Those are borrow words and borrow melody. Him sang in an early stage, him say, if me never bust, every artist should have scared of us. First on the list, the one named Barris, a Busta Rhymes melody that. What do you want me to do? Tell lie? Tell him to say a lie, me I tell. He can't say a lie, me I tell. So Gaza fans go sit down. And him sang and say, I'll never. Well, Batman never do it. Face on a toilet seat. I think I alternate this song. And I will never grow old. I'll never scare. So what I talk about? First thing me do when me wake up, but I great for me nerves first. Straight panton, straight from West Panatown, but I'm a female melody that either. Whole heap of melody him use well, a people melody. So we don't want to come act like Footah did say something bad. That is just the truth.
That's it for now, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, like the video, and share. See you next time.